has changed. Story of my life 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 has changed since he came into my life. Since she came into my life. I never felt this way before. I never felt this way before. I never felt this way before. Story of my life has changed. Story of my life has changed. Story of...
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. I got a video yeah, andile mpesana bonakala ahlele studio a recorder when people are dragging him ukuthi hayi wena njani manje. So ukhuluma ngokuthi nje impilo yakhe ishintshile nani hayi abantu bakhomence bathi hayi impilo yenu ishintshile ekhakini vele after kufike SARS. Yo guys, bantu abanayo iphisi. So andile mpesane siyalwa ukuthi guys bantu abamfuni nje eculeni, bathi nje phuma lapha bamfuna ebholweni, kodwa labamfuna khona andile mpesane people are just saying ukuthi wena uqula nje because of your mom, wena udlala ibhola nje because of your mom, you are not even talented, awukhoni ukuqula, awukhoni lutho, just focus on being a baby maker. Wena ulibhakele nje bantwana because kulapho nje na allow good khona. So people are dragging him ngokuthi hayi cha ingoma yakho yaze yabhora, isengakabi nelibhithi but siyeva ukuthi hayi cha isimnanzi iyabhetha nje, kumbe mhlawumbe ngabe seyingenwe elibhithi itoba ngcono, but for now focus on other things man, focus on making kids. People are just saying ukuthi andile ibhola awukhona, uyahluleka, yini le music uyahluleka, into ingoma takho nje tiphambo kwatibhekele cha wena nje awufocus atukondole good kuyo, focus nje ekubhakeni abantwana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.